With over 38,000 stores worldwide and nearly $36 billion in net revenue, it's one of the most recognizable brands in the world. Starbucks.
Love the long-term chart here.
We think they have more control over their own destiny right now than a lot of other consumer names.
It's Willy Wonka in the cold brew factory.
But in recent months, Starbucks isn't looking like the company that many Americans once fell in love with.
Gentlemen, when we look at the biggest loser today, it's going to be Starbucks. It's among the worst performers in the S&P 500. It's down double digits.
There's no question that the occasional customer is cutting back on visits to us. We have not been able to communicate to them the value that we provide.
They were banking on a consumer that looked a lot like the 2022 aspirational consumer, not a value-seeking consumer.
But Starbucks is trying to turn things around.
The company is focusing on making that experience better for you, making the wait time shorter, ensuring that you get your beverage in a timely fashion, and that you have a good experience and a good connection with the baristas.
With consumers spending their dollars more carefully than ever before, will improved workflows and a push towards value be enough for Starbucks to get back on track?
Starbucks' journey is a fascinating blend of triumphs and challenges. With over 38,000 stores globally and nearly $36 billion in net revenue, it stands as one of the world's most iconic brands. However, recent months have shown cracks in its facade, with a significant dip in its stock making it one of the worst performers in the S&P 500. This decline is attributed to customers cutting back on visits and a failure to communicate the value they provide to today's price-sensitive consumers. In response, Starbucks is focusing on enhancing customer experience by reducing wait times and ensuring a smoother interaction with baristas. Despite these operational improvements, Starbucks missed Wall Street expectations in 2024, a stark contrast to its more consistent performance in previous years. The company also faces intense competition from smaller coffee shops and new players like Luckin in China, which has surpassed Starbucks in store count. To regain its footing, Starbucks is pushing forward with global expansion plans and operational innovations, but it remains to be seen if these efforts will be enough to restore investor confidence and customer loyalty.